The plant is going to unwind. The plant is going to unwind. A worm is wiggling on a branch. A worm is wiggling on a branch. The rope is wound up. The rope is wound up. The plant is going to unwind. A worm is wiggling on a branch. The rope is wound up. Please select the one statement that best describes what you see in the picture. A. The plant is going to furl up. B. The plant is going to unwind. C. The plant is being cut off. B. The plant is going to unwind. A. A worm is hanging from a branch. B. The worm has fallen off the branch. C. A worm is wiggling on a branch. C. A worm is wiggling on a branch. A. The rope is wound up. B. The rope is tangled. C. The rope is being wound up by a man. A. The rope is wound up. Is the plant going to furl up? No, it is going to unwind. Is a worm wiggling on a branch? Yes. Is the rope tangled? No, it is wound up.